Ever wondered what it's like to walk through history? Let's explore Split's Old Town and Diocletian's Palace. Split, Croatia, is a city where ancient history meets vibrant modern life, and nowhere is this more evident than in its Old Town and Diocletian's Palace. Built over 1,700 years ago by the Roman Emperor Diocletian, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a living museum. Wander through narrow cobblestone streets, marvel at the stunning architecture, and feel the pulse of history under your feet. The palace area isn't just ruins, it's a thriving hub filled with cafes, shops, and lively squares. Hungry? Stop by a local restaurant for some authentic Croatian cuisine. Or, if you're a culture buff, explore the nearby markets and museums. Whether you're here for the history, the culture, or just to soak up the Mediterranean sun, Split's Old Town and Diocletian's Palace offer an unforgettable experience. Ready to explore? Check out the ticket link in the description and start your journey today.